Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers. On the application of REDnote, we click on settings. Here we click on settings like this. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of REDnote and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of REDnote. And here if you find updates, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your